Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Enduro 2 and I'm gonna show you how to turn off the touchscreen on this device. First, we need to press and hold the light button to open the controls menu. Once the menu opens, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through this menu. Now select the touch icon. This one looks like finger pressing on the screen. And as you can see, by default it's enabled. And if you want to disable the touch screen, because now it's working, select this icon and then press the start/stop button. The icon should change the color and it should say off. And now the touch screen is disabled. This option is useful, for example, if you're taking maybe a shower or you're swimming with the watch on. It will prevent mistouches with because of the water, basically. So that's how you disable the touchscreen. And to enable it back on, simply open the controls menu, select the touch icon and press the start/stop button to enable it back on, like that. And that's how you turn off the touchscreen on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.